Inside a hive, bees are nature's little architects and chefs. They start by collecting nectar from flowers, using their long tongues to sip it up. Once back at the hive, they pass the nectar to other worker bees, who chew it for about half an hour, breaking down the sugars. Then they deposit it into hexagonal beeswax cells. To transform nectar into honey, they fan their wings, evaporating water and thickening the mixture. This process can take several days. Once it's just right, they seal the cells with wax, preserving their sweet treasure for winter. It's a remarkable teamwork that turns simple nectar into golden honey.